Today we will learn about 4th standard science subject, a new topic, fibers. Fiber is a thin thread of natural or artificial substances. It is used to make cloth with the help of power looms or weaving machines. The fibers we get from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Fibers made by humans by chemical synthesis are called artificial fibers or synthetic fibers. Once again, fibers, it has the two types, natural fibers and artificial fibers. In natural fibers has two types, plant and animal fibers. The fibers we get from plants, for example, cotton, core, jute and linen. These are the examples for plant fibers. Plants, the fibers we get from animals, for example, silk, wool are examples for that animal fibers. These two kinds are the natural fibers. The next one, artificial fibers. Artificial fibers means the fibers made by humans by chemical synthesis. It is called artificial fibers. For example, rayon, nylon, acrylic and Dacron are examples for artificial fibers. These fibers are obtained from petroleum by complex chemical processes. In this video, we will learn about the examples for plant fibers.
Types of fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. In natural fibers, two types, plant fibers, animal fibers. And animals, for example, wool and silk. In plants, for example, cotton and linen. Natural fibers come from natural growing sources, both plants and animals. Natural fibers come from plants. They usually have short fibers called stable fibers. The exceptions to the rule is silk, a natural fiber whose continuous filaments are up to 1 kilometer in length. Cotton from the cotton plant. Linen from the flax plant. Silk from silkworms. Wool from sheep. Synthetic fibers are man-made, usually from chemical sources. They are continuous filament fibers, which means the fibers are long and do not always have to be spun into yarn. For example, viscose comes from fineries or petrochemicals. Acrylic and polyester come from oil and coal. The first example for plant is a cotton. The fabric names calico, corduroy, denim, drill, poplin, velvet. Then properties of cotton plant. It is a strong, absorbent, cool to wear, hard wearing, greases easily, smooth, versatile, easy to care for, breathable. Cotton fiber uses for first one soft furnishing such as cushions and curtains, cloth such as jeans and t-shirts, knitting yarns. Next, advantages of cotton fibers: strong when wet. Second one, durable and long lasting. Third one, not expensive. Fourth one, environmentally sustainable. Then fifth one, comfortable to wear. Disadvantages of cotton plant: greases easily, it burns easily, strings when washed. Almost pure cellulose, cotton is the world's most widely used natural fiber and still the undisputed king of the global textile industry. The cotton fiber grows on the seed of a variety of plants of the genus Cosmium. The most important cotton species cultivated for fiber are Hirsutum, which originated in Mexico and produces 90% of the world's cotton. G. barbandans of Peruvian origin, which accounts for 5%. World average cotton yields are around 800 kg per hectare. These are the process of cotton. First, cotton ball, then bursting of matured cotton ball and seeds with cotton fiber. Then last, cotton field looks as a covered with snow. There are few processes for getting cotton from plant. The first one, cotton balls are separated from cotton fiber by ginning. Second one, the fiber is converted into yarn by spinning on charcoal. The yarn is converted into fabric by weaving or knitting.